Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can fix the error SSL protocol on your website on WordPress. So let's get right into it. Now, due to me not being able to replicate that problem on my site, I'm going to go over into this article and go over some possible solutions to how you can actually fix it. Now, this usually happens when there is an error with your SSL certificate, where your security on your site isn't really, well, doing the best it could, or it isn't working at all. Now, there are a couple of solutions that you can do. Firstly, you need to make sure that HTTPS is enabled once you install your SSL certificate. You do need to make sure that this is enabled. And if it's not, that might be the root cause of your problems. And if it is, then you can go ahead and troubleshoot more. Now, make sure that all your URLs are also updated. Once you install your SSL certificate and enable HTTPS, you will need to make sure that all URLs are updated to have the HTTPS prefix instead of the HTTP, so that you can actually use the SSL certificate. Other than that, you need to check the links on your content. You just need to check out the URLs and make sure, again, that they start with HTTPS. And if you miss some URLs, you'll be slapped with content warnings. However, there might be additional problems you might have, so you need to make sure that any contest you're putting on your site, or content that you're putting on your site, is secure. And for setting contest, you should consider using a secure CDN, and there are plugins that can do this for you. I can't access the plugins, so I can't really give you any recommendations. However, do check that out. Other than that, you can go ahead and issue 301 redirects to your links, and if some links don't work, make sure to rewrite certain things here on your site, and you can just access your htaccess file using an FTP or any other sort of admin panel such as cPanel or hPanel on Hostinger. And this is the code that will redirect your pages to the HTTPS version. Other than that, make sure that you did everything well when you were installing the SSL. If you didn't install it properly, there might be some problems with that, so you can try and reinstall the SSL as you would usually. And yeah, that is pretty much all you can do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.